Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create a CRM-lite app with Airtable and HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To create a CRM-lite app using Airtable and HubSpot, begin by signing in to your Airtable account. If you don't have one, create a free account on Airtable's website. Once logged in, start by creating a new base. Click on Add a Base and choose Start from Scratch. Name your base something relevant like CRM-lite. Next, set up your tables. Create a table for contacts and another for companies. In the contacts table, add fields like name, email, phone number, and company. In the companies table, include fields such as company name, industry, and website. Now, enter some sample data into both tables for testing purposes. Once your data is ready, navigate to HubSpot and log in to your account. If you don't have a HubSpot account, sign up for a free version. In HubSpot, go to your dashboard and locate the Contacts section. Check to ensure your contacts are organized properly. Now, it's time to connect Airtable and HubSpot. In Airtable, go to your base and click on Automations. Select Add an automation and choose when a record is created. Next, set up the action to send data to HubSpot. Choose webhooks and then post to webhook as your action. Visit HubSpot's API documentation to get the endpoint for adding or updating contacts. Copy this URL into the webhook URL field in Airtable. In the webhook setup, configure the data you'd like to send, matching Airtable fields with HubSpot properties. Test the webhook to ensure it's functioning correctly. If successful, Airtable will notify you that the test was sent. Next, return to your Airtable dashboard and finalize your automation settings. Name your automation for easy identification and switch it on. You can add more automations as needed to enhance functionality. Consider creating views in Airtable for better organization, such as filters for potential leads or follow-ups. Make sure to explore HubSpot's CRM tools for managing your pipeline effectively. Once your setup is complete, regularly update both platforms to maintain data integrity. Lastly, review your workflow periodically to make adjustments as necessary for efficiency. Your CRM-lite app is now ready for use, combining the strengths of Airtable and HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.